If you're experiencing pending transfers on Amazon Prime, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review transfer status. Log into your Amazon account and check the status of your pending transfers. Navigate to your orders and look for any transfers that are still pending. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Amazon customer support. You can do this through the help section on the website or app. Explain your situation clearly for assistance. Step 4. Update account information. Make sure your account information is up to date. This includes your address, payment methods, and any other relevant details that could affect the transfer process. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After taking the necessary steps, allow some time for the issue to be resolved. Pending transfers may take a few hours to a few days to process, so be patient. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Amazon Prime. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to support again for further assistance.